time to give these carpets a clean with the George Wet and Dry Vac. Open the top. Remove the filter. Gently remove the bag. Normally there is a flap to close the bag, but mine has just broken off. Make sure that there is nothing blocking the suction pipe. Take off the hose. There's no need to clean this now as it can be done at the end. Now I'm just going to fill only half a tank with cold water as it's just 6 individual mats I'm going to be cleaning. And I'm going to pour 2 40 ml of carpet cleaning solution as obviously there has been heavy traffic on this carpet. Place the tank in. Place a water ball filter. Now slot the water inlet tube into the tank. Attach the wet vac hose pipe. Now attach the spray tube. This button is to spraying out clean water and this one is to suck in the dirty water. Only use these functions one at a time, so switch one off then start the other. Spray the solution on the carpet. You can use a brush to give you a good scrub. You can also go ahead and use a carpet stain remover. So once you're done with the cleaning, switch off the spray mode and switch on the vac to suck up all the dirty water. Once all done, the carpet will be slightly damp. Vacuum later on once it's dried up. Overall guys, the George Wet and Dry Vac has done a pretty good job. Finally, give the vac a clean and remember to release any pressure in the spray. See you in the next one guys, peace.